بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا أبي القاسم مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. Islam is a unity, and everything's come true of the Islam is become as a unity. When we say about Islam, that's mean we talk regarding to all the religions. We don't talk particularly to Islam. We talk about all the religions. What does the meaning of all the religions when we say Islam? That's mean Christian and Jewish and all the everything, Buddhism, Hinduism, and all the religion is coming to the Islam. We are saying yes, yes, because the final religion is Islam. The last version of the religion it's become Islam. Islam has a complete rules of all the religions. It's become under name of the Islams. Ad-Din indallah al-Islam. All the religions become as Islams. When we say Islam, talking regarding the unity, that mean all the religions becomes to the unity. When you have the 100 as a number, that mean all the numbers under the 100 under you and with you, 98, 1, 20, 30, all the numbers under hundreds. When we say Islam, all the religions under the Islams, previously in the beginning, everything is coming to the Islams. So, all the religions, the nature of the religions become to the unity. It is the first point, and it's very important. We have to understand and get the important point. The unity, the nature of the religions. We don't have differences. All the religions, they have unity. Particularly and especially the duty of the Shia unity. Because the flag of the Islam under our hand. We have Ahlul Bayt, we have Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have Holy Quran. We must to take this flag and say the unity because of we are Shia. We are Shia. So, for example, for first conversation and the meetings, when you meet your friends and your brother and sisters, you say salam. O salamun alaykum. That mean unity. Why? Salam is unity. Yes. The meaning of the salams become to the unity. We back to our nature, but we have to understand what's the exact of the meaning of the salam. What's the meaning of the salam? You say salamun alaykum, but you met one person. Why you say salamun alaykum in the Arabic grammar? Salamun alaykum for two or more than the two persons. But you met one person. Why you say salamun alaykum? You have to say salamun alayka or salamun alayka. Why you say salamun alaykum? That's mean. I as a Muslim, I wish you have a health. I wish you have a peace. Wow, it's very wonderful. I wish. When Muslim wish for others, that's mean he is praying for his brother and sister. Wish of mu'min, wish of Muslim means pray. You pray to your brother and sisters. Salamun alaykum, that's mean I pray for your brother, for my brother, my sister. I pray for you to become health and peace and friendly and everything. In the beginning of the conversation, to start off the conversation and the meeting, you tell Salamun Alaikum. That means you praying for your brother and sister. Unity. These are meaning of the unity. You pray for your brothers. You pray for your sister. You pray for everybody. When you say Salamun Alaikum, we are togethering. We don't have any differences among us. We are as a particular persons, especially one person. We are as a one person. Any religion, when you met Christian, Salamun Alaikum, you don't say hello. No, Salamun Alaikum. Oh, he can tell you hello. Oh, Alaikum Assalam. You Salamun Alaikum. It's very nice in Islam. When you're talking, you start your meeting, you start your conversation with your friends with pray. It's very nice. We have very capacity and capability in Islam, but we have to find, we have to more understand to get the power, to get the mercy and guidance from Allah. Imam Ali alayhi salam say in the Nahj al-Balagha, أيها الناس إنه لا يستغني الرجل. The human, people, human, as much as you have the power, وإن كان ذا مال عن إطرته ودفاعهم عنه بأيديهم وألسنتهم وألمهم لأشعاثه وأعتفهم عليه عند نازلة إذا نزلت به. As much as you have the power, but you have the family, your backgrounds, your family, your supporters, your family. When you want to get help, you directly go to your family and you say, my brother, my sister, my father, my mothers, please help me. Or you go to your other member of the family, uncle, auntie. First, directly, you go to your family, your village areas, your friends in your village, in your place. First, you have directly you going there. Imam Ali say, as much as you have the power, but you need your support of your family. Even you have the power, because as much as you have the power, particularly and individually, you have a temporary power. But if you want to get the power for the long time, you need your family supports or social supports. You have must the social activities. You cannot close your door to everybody. You must have a communications with other persons. You cannot close your door. You cannot disconnect to everybody. You must have a conversation and communication and connection with your friends, your family, your people to people of your area. Imam Ali say, as much as you have the power, but you need support of your family. To get the power, that's mean family, social activities, everything's it's coming to the unity. It's very nicely. For every needs of the money, healthy, business, social activities, and everything, you need support of your family. Then, my brother and sisters, we cannot make a differences among us because of unbalanced traits, as we talk about that. we have changed our minds. We have to back to our nature, and we have to find the nature of the Islam and our religions, especially and particularly Shia. And we have to listen the Ahlul Bayt's advices, what they say regarding these are important matters among our life, our communications, our connections. These are coming to the unity. When you need the power, you need the support, you need the help from each others, you must have a unity. You must have a unity. But because you cannot going for farther, you cannot go there. You cannot achieve to your goal and your aim. Inshallah, hopefully, with the advice of Imam Ali alayhi salam and the capacity of the Islams, we achieve to the unity, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.